Hi guys, I'm Jitendra Vaswani. I'm really excited to be part of TESS affiliate conferences. And in this today presentation, I'm going to share about my SEO strategies for my affiliate website, like what are actually working. So how you can implement the same strategies I'm using on my main blog, which I'm going to share with you. So you can actually see what kind of things, what kind of trust elements I have on my review pages on my affiliate websites. So you can actually go through all these kind of trust elements, and so this will help you to rank higher, and this will help you to build trust among the readers who lands on your blog, right? Actually on your affiliate niche websites, right? So I'm going to share with you all the strategies which I have learned. Like there are hundreds of strategies, so actually I cannot share with you all those strategies, but I'm going to give you the brief overview, and I'm going to share with you the live URLs which are actually like making me good money. I'm going to open my Google search console, so you can actually see the traffic on that blog, like how much traffic I receive on this blog. So let's get started. And this is a little bit about me. So I'm going to share with you about me. Like I am a digital nomad and I'm the founder of Bloggers Ideas. So this is my main blog where I share strategies related to like affiliate marketing, how to make money online, all these kind of strategies, and interviews with all those top-notch SE experts like Neil Patel, like Grant Cardone. Like these are the marketing legends, right? So I have met them like personally at the event, and I did have a short interviews with all these legends. So you can like if you really want to see it, so you can go to my podcast Inside Hustler's Brain, where actually they like these interviews are live, so you can actually learn like what kind of strategies these marketing guys have used it on their own businesses, and how they have grown it to from 6 7 figures, 8 figures in revenues and sales, right? So Neil Patel, so I know like everyone like who's seeing this presentation, they actually know Neil Patel. He's the SEO godfather, to be very honest. So I'm going to share with you my little bit story, like who I am. Like I have done bachelor's degrees in engineering, and I really wasted my 4 years of my life, to be very honest with you. Like literally I've wasted 4 years of my life in engineering, and every time I was feeling full of torture, I really want to commit suicide at that time, to be very honest, because it was very horrible experience. 4 years of my life, I don't have any kind of interest in engineering. And soon after, I did my bachelor's degree in IT in engineering, and I got a job of $100 per month in SEO. And I was excited. Okay, $100 per month in India in 2012 was a okay amount, to be very honest. It's okay, but it was a low paying for sure. But I was not getting any job at that time. I don't have any interest in programming and in coding things. So I got into SEO. Luckily, one of my friend told me, so you can do SEO. So I search on Google what is SEO. Then I learn about the okay. So this is like search engine optimization, like optimize your site, and you can rank your site on Google on the top position. So I learned all these things in my first job, and like from 7 years I'm running. From 2014 I left. From 2014 to 2021, like it's like 7 to 8 years I'm running this business. And right now I have 30 to 40 niche websites which are into different niches, like health, dating, traveling, make money online, cryptos, like Bitcoin. So and all the traffic sources organic, purely organic traffic. I'm running SEO because this is what I know, and this is what I'm improving right now. Every day I'm learning new things in SEO, to be very honest. So I'm going to share with you like SEO audit things, like what things I've done on my main blog, and how it is actually helping me to make money, right? And so this is with me, industry experts. So I keep on traveling. I'm more like a digital nomad. I go to the events, conferences, like being a speaker, being a media partner, and I'm met all these legends right now. It's super awesome. So let's talk about audit SEO for affiliate websites. So I'm going to talk to you, and I'm going to show you my niche website. What I'm like my main blog. It's not a niche website. It's like a main blog, which will give you an idea how you can actually create a niche website out of that, right? So whenever you are starting affiliate marketing, always make sure like you pick an affiliate niche to focus on. So don't start a niche where you don't have any kind of interest. A lot of the time I've seen it, like many of the guys, they just start a niche and they don't have any interest. So why you're starting that niche when you don't have any kind of interest in that niche? So make sure whenever you are starting out, like whenever you are starting affiliate site, always start with a niche where you can actually like have interest, like so you can do your keyword research, right? It's very very important. Then it comes to choose a domain name. So I will always recommend to buy expired domain. Expired domains are those domains which already have a trust, like a good domain rating, like a good domain authority, like a good page authorities, like. So this is what expired domain is very very important. Like this is very, like I would recommend whenever you are doing it, so always go with expired domain. It will really help you. So let's get started here. I'm just opening one of my dashboards so you can actually have a look at it, that how much traffic I'm receiving on this blog. Okay, so here is I'm in my dashboard of my blog. So that is so you can actually see how much traffic I'm receiving. So this is like last 3 months of my blog. So my blog name is Bloggers Ideas. So I'm going to show you, like this is my actual blog. So you can actually have a look like how I've designed my homepage, what kind of trust elements I have on these pages. Like it's very important whenever you are designing an affiliate website for like an user trust point of view, because Google really want that kind of trust element on your website. And once the users land on your landing pages, your blog pages, your review pages, any kind of pages like they land upon, so they, like you should have all this kind of trust element, like your social proof. So you can see my blog, like I'm sharing my story, like I'm the man behind it. I'm the man behind this blog. I have 8 years of experience. So I'm sharing all these things. So it's very, very important that you share all these things, because if you don't share it, then like the users are not going to trust you, right? And so you can see how I'm sharing, like how many people have joined me on social media, on my Facebook, on my Twitter, on my blog, RSS, like everything, like LinkedIn followers, my YouTube. So I'm sharing these data, like I have like around 500,000 like across all the digital marketing channels. I have these kind of following right now, and I'm sharing about my podcast. Like I run my own podcast, Inside Hustler's Brain, where I share interviews with all the top-notch legends, and some interviews I've shared on my blog. Some of the popular categories, Amazon tools. Like I'm sharing, like once the user land on my blog homepage, so I'm sharing all the categories, like the top categories on I have on my blog: dropshipping guides, Amazon tools, best SEO tips, and the best articles from all these categories, right? Like Amazon tool, hosting, online courses, education courses, like guides, and what people say about me. So I have like testimonials. So that's the social, like a social proof. You should have all these kind of social proof on your website, on your niche, like affiliate niche website, to build trust with the readers, right? And I'm sharing about my book, like Growth Hacking Book 2, where I am the #1 Amazon bestseller. Like I'm a contributor to this book with Rohan Chobe, Parag Agarwal, and like hundreds of authors like are on this book. So I'm sharing all these kind of trust elements. So I've been featured on like like Huffington Post, like Business World. So these kind of feature, like where you have been, like you can share your like press coverage, right? So this is where you are building trust with the readers. And this is my footer. I'm sharing about me, like who's this behind this blog, my top articles, my best articles, and I'm sharing about my social like following here, like copyrights and all this kind of my top blogs I'm interlinking at the bottom. So I've shared with you, like this is actually my like traffic on my blog. Like on an average in last 3 months, I receive around 240,000 clicks. It's like all the clicks are from different countries, like US, UK. I'm going to share with you the top countries where I'm getting the traffic: India, US, Malaysia, Germany, Brazil, Italy, UK. Like these are the top 10 countries where I'm getting the traffic, and these are the queries which I'm ranking right now: online business in idea, click magic alternative, like all these keywords. So this is actual case study for you, like how you can analyze your like your blog, like how you can optimize it. So let's get started with my optimization strategy. So this is one of my actually like comparison article, and I'm going to show you like what kind of SEO things, like I'm doing the audit here, like what are the key factors are there in this post. So once the user land on this page, they should see all these trust elements, right? I'm sharing about like what is email marketing in general, and I'm sharing about the bottom line. So nowadays I'm doing a lot of A/B testing on all my blogs, where I'm adding bottom line upfront. Like I'm adding the bottom line, like I'm adding the verdict at the top. Once the article is getting started, like user, they want to read the bottom line, like they want to read the verdict of this post. I'm sharing with them on the top, and I've created an image here. So I'm sharing where like what is like MailChimp, what are the benefits of email marketing. And here comes the table. I'm actually showing the differences between MailPoet and MailChimp. Like what are the actual differences in terms of pricing, pros and cons, features, like design, advantages, ease of use, like value of money. So these kind of tables, customized tables I've created for my blog, and you should have for your affiliate niche web, like affiliate niche sites. Whenever you're creating affiliate niche sites, so make sure like you have all these kind of trust element, right? It's very important. So you can see my CTA button, I'm very clear, like they don't have any kind of like misleading. So make sure like your CTA buttons are very much attractive, and they should not have any kind of misleading words like get immediate discount, hurry up. Like avoid all these kind of CTA words. So make sure like your CTA button is very important. Like it should be very crystal clear. It should not have any kind of spammy words like forcing people to click on your affiliate links. So don't do it. It's like have clear call to action button. Like I'm sharing the differences between. So you can actually see the post I'm doing interlinking. Interlinking is one of the major factors like which helps you in ranking. So right now this post is ranking on the third or fourth position of the Google. I'm actually showing you like this is actually ranking here. So you can see like third or fourth position of the Google, and it's actually ranking here. So why it's ranking? Because I have properly done optimization, I have properly included internal links in my post. It's very important. Like whenever you are having a detailed article on your blog, any kind of article, so make sure like you have a proper external links and interlink. Interlinking is like interlinking with your blog, and make sure you have external links, like relevant links, like you're passing links to authority sites like Forbes, Wikipedia. So whenever I'm doing any kind of articles, I make sure like I always do interlinking to like the top sites like Forbes, Wikipedia. I always try to do interlinking. So that's fair. So in this post, I have interlinked to like a very authority site, which is Moz, like moz.com. I have interlink here. So make sure like you have external link to some trusted sites where you're passing link juice. So that's where Google is going to trust your content more, right? External links like passing link juice to some authority sites. Because if you just keep on doing internally linking within your blog, it's more look like you want to promote your own content. You are not like promoting other people content, right? So that is what like every SEO expert do it for their niche website, affiliate sites, and they always pass the link juice to authority sites. So it's very important. Make sure you follow this, okay? It's very important. So make sure you follow this. So this is very important factor in ranking, because there are 200 ranking factors like your domain authority, your page authority, how many external links are there. So like I cannot share with you like 200 ranking factors like this. This video is going to be for 2 to 3 hours. I'm actually sharing with you the live post, and so you can see the inside the dashboard what kind of interlinking, how many h2 tags I have. So make sure like whenever you're writing a content, you should have a clear and a precise information for the readers. It's very important. And I'm going to share with you one of the article like this is a review article on my blog. So this will give you idea like how I'm optimizing my review articles. And so this is a review article, news Zendler review, right? I'm actually doing the review of the product. Like this is a product which is related to launching your online course, right? How like this is something like Thinkific, like Teachable, right? So this is actually I've done the review. And make sure whenever you are like running an affiliate website, at the top you should have an affiliate like a disclosure. It's very important. Affiliate disclosure is very important because you are keeping trust with the readers. You are sharing with them like some of the links on this page have an affiliate links, because that's very important. And this is the FTC guidelines right now, and it's very important whenever you are running an affiliate site. So make sure at the top you should have this like an affiliate disclosure. So this build trust with the readers. It's very important. So you can actually see like I'm using a review box here. where I'm doing the pros and cons. So you can get these review boxes like a review schema products. Like there are a lot of products in the market which actually help you to do the review post. So WP Schema Pro, Rank Math. So a lot of tools are there which helps you to do all this kind of optimization, like adding schema to your articles. So actually I'm doing pros and cons, sharing what are the pros and cons of this product. I'm adding the small summary here, pricing, rating, and the call to action button. It's very crystal clear, right? And I've shared with you, like I'm these days I'm adding the bottom line at the like the top of the post. Like once the reader they land on my any kind of ranking articles, I always add the bottom line upfront, and this really helps me to give a higher CTR and higher conversion rate from my all of my affiliate articles, because readers get the crisp, like the brief, like what is actually news handler, how it is going to help them. So always write the best bottom line here, like clear and precise. It's very very important, right? And this is actually I'm starting with the review. I have a clear CTA button, right? I told you, like CTA button are very very important in terms of your article optimization, right? Whenever you are optimizing your articles, you are doing SEO optimization. So make sure, like, so this is more like a CRO also. It's a part of SEO, but it's more like a CRO. So make sure like you have a very clear and crisp CTA button. Don't have spammy words like hurry up and all, because in the beginning I made this like a huge like I can say the mistake here. Like I have added this kind of CTA buttons like hurry up and all these things. Like this have really hurt my conversion rates. So don't do this. Always have a clear and crisp CTA button, like a short, like try now, check out. Like these are the like terms so you can easily use on your landing pages, which will help to build a trust with the readers, right? It's very very important. And here I'm adding the features of the product, like news handler, right? What are other features? Because if I'm doing a review article, so make sure like you have a how to use guide, because whenever the reader they want to read the review of that kind of product, they should have, like, they want to know how to use this product, what are the top features of this product. So always have this kind of like crystal clear things on your article, because this will help them to decide to go with the product, yes or no, because they are really looking for the review of this product. They actually want to see how this product actually works. So make sure you have how to use guides and have proper information like screenshot, like explaining them each process, right? It's very very important. So that's where I have all these kind of proper description of that product. I'm adding the new features which have been added in news handler, right? So pros and cons. And actually I'm doing video reviews. Like these days what I'm adding, like I'm adding a video reviews to my articles. It's very important. Like whenever you are doing any kind of reviews, so try to do video reviews. Like this will help you to boost your conversion. So I'm doing a lot of testing right now, and I'm adding all these kind of video reviews to my articles. So this will really help you to boost conversion rates, because people are actually seeing the video. They can actually like go like, so yeah, they're actually having a walkthrough on the product. So this will help them to buy from your affiliate links, right? It's very important. So if you can create video reviews, it will be very good for you, because people will trust your uh, content more, right? And it will optimize your articles for video also, right? So and now I'm doing the comparison of Newsender versus Teachable versus Thinkific. I'm showing them the comparison, like why Newsender is better than Teachable. Like Thinkific, I'm adding the table like comparison with the features like pricing. Do they have these kind of unlimited features? So I'm sharing with the readers all the information they want in this article, because in the review article I'm adding the alternatives, I'm adding the comparison of that particular product. Like if someone is reading my review, they want to read the comparison between the other products, so they can actually get all the information in my review article. So that's very very important. So make sure you have this kind of crystal and clear information in your article. And now I'm putting alternatives of Zenler. Like number one alternative is Podia, then it's Teachable, then it's Thinkific, then it's LearnDash, and I'm adding FAQs also. Like if like pricing structure is there, then if you can see like in the end I'm adding FAQs, like what are the top FAQs, like people are searching related to this product. So you can use tools like phrase.io or neural text, which will get you an idea what people are actually searching for this product, right? Like FAQs. So you can use tools like phrase.io or neural text. So you will get a lot of ideas related to FAQs. Okay, FAQs I have added, and these are the top videos and interviews done by the news handler team. Again, I'm doing interlinking to my articles, so you can see interlinking is very, very important. And then I'm giving the conclusion, like the CTA button, and done. So then these are the some few comments I've received on this article. And now I just want to show you my like news handler. So this will like a neural text, how this can really help you to find out the content for your article. So you can see I'm actually inside the dashboard of neural text, and it gives me an idea. Suppose if I want to rank for HubSpot review, like that's the keyword I really want to rank. So you can put inside the dashboard of neural text, create a new project, and you can insert your keyword, and this will give you all the detailed analysis, like how many like search volume have like this particular keyword is having. And you can see your competitors, like the top competitors here, like G2, Capterra, Trust Radius. And actually, so you can see the questions people are asking on Quora, right? So you can see on Google's, this will give you all the ideas. Like people also ask like what kind of FAQs people are really searching on Google related to this product. So if you really want to find FAQs, so what I've seen, like when I'm adding FAQs to my content, it has really helped me to boost my income, like boost my rankings, because it's really helped. Like if you have a proper FAQs in all of your articles, so make sure you have very detailed FAQs, like what people are asking about that product. So you can use tool like neural text and phrase.io. So this will help you to find out the top keywords related to your product, like related to the keyword which you really want to rank. So I want to rank for HubSpot review. So this gives me all the top questions really asked on Quora, on Google Suggest, on people also ask from SERPs, what my competitors have used, like what they have used in their own article related to FAQ. So like these things, so you can get easily, I can get the outlines, like what actually I have to write in my review in order to beat my competitors which are already ranking above me, right? So these are the like audit or optimization things, so you can really do on your like affiliate sites which you really want to rank for the review keywords for versus keywords. And always make sure, like whenever you're creating affiliate site, so make sure you have a information content also. If you see my on my blog, like this is an affiliate site also, I'm doing a lot of interviews, I'm doing a lot of podcasts. So you can see actually I'm doing some interviews with the people who are doing drop shipping, drop servicing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, link building. So you can see I'm doing a lot of these kind of informational content. So make sure whenever you're creating an affiliate site, in terms of having a trust on the readers and having a trust in the eyes of Google. So Google don't think it's just an affiliate site, just putting a review content. So don't do this mistake. Always have informational content related to your niche, right? It's very, very important. So I want to share with you one of the earning of the keyword which I'm already like made $30,000. So I'm going to share with you. I hope you have seen this. So please do take a screenshot of the screen, so you can see like how you can actually do the audit of your affiliate site. And let me share with you one of the, like no action is equal to no money. So always remember, if you don't take actions, like after watching my video, like after like seeing all this kind of information content, so please take action, and this will lead you to make a lot of money. And this is actual like money I made with Teachable in the last 1 or 2 years. So actually I made like $32,000 roughly with them, right? And they given me special coupon code. So I told you, like whenever you're making a deal with the brands, like you are ranking for their review or coupon keywords, always make a special deal with the brand, like ask them for the special coupon. So this will help you to boost conversions. So with Teachable, I have asked them special coupon code, and they're giving me special coupon codes, like special coupon code for the 1 month, like 50% off. And this really helped me to boost my earnings, right? So make sure you have, like you are making a deal with the brands, asking them special deals, special coupons. So this will really help you to boost conversions for your affiliate sites, right? So make sure like you follow all these strategies. And my golden rule is always like your network is your net worth. So whenever you go to the events, meet all those kind of crazy people who are running like affiliate sites. Because I was at one of the conferences in Chiang Mai SEO conference, and it was one of the best conferences where I learned a lot of things about SEO. So please make sure like you have a network which is really really like creative, like full of creative people who are going to boost you always. They are with you when you are going down in your life. They're always supporting you when you need them, right? It's very very important, and luckily I have those kind of people in my network right now. So it's very very important. So your network is your net worth, always remember. So this was like I finished my presentation here. So if you guys have any doubts related to SEO optimization, like you want to get an audit for your niche website, so you can hire me. I do give my like opinions, trainings, how you can actually create your affiliate site and make money out of it. So make sure like you can check out my blog. So you can reach me on my email, and so this will like I can help you to optimize your site more. And this was the keyword I was talking about, teachable coupon, right? So this is the actual keyword, right? So you can have a look at it. So this is the actual keyword like teachable review and teachable coupon. Again, pros and cons, offers. I'm actually like having the real coupon with them. Like I made a deal with them, give me the special coupon, and they're giving me special coupon. I'm sharing how to use this coupon, and actually I'm showing the people how to use like teachable. I told you like how to guides are really really helpful. So I hope you got an like idea what kind of stuff I'm doing, like how I'm optimizing my content, optimizing on my site. So thank you so much. And this was all about affiliate marketing and SEO. And so please do get in touch with me if you have any queries related to affiliate marketing and it's like SEO. I'm happy to help you out, and I wish you a lot of success, everyone. And please be safe, stay home, be safe, and I hope to see you at the top of the world. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care.
At Crack Revenue, we take pride in doing our job right so you can be even more successful. How do we do it? We work closely with our partners to pinpoint the perfect customers they're looking for, and we work hard to make sure they stick to their brands. That's how we increase their customer long-term value, which translates into higher payouts for Crack Revenue and our affiliates. It's as simple as that.
Hello and welcome back to the European Summit, the industry-leading event that brings together the whole affiliate marketing ecosystem. I'm joined by the CEO or founder, Jitendra Vaswani. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, Sam. How are you, man? It's my pleasure to be on Test Affiliate Conference, and it is one of the best conferences, like Sam, I've attended like from past 2-3 years, but this time we are going virtual. So it's a whole new different experience for me also, trust me. So I'm
Great.
super excited here. Awesome.
Now, we've just seen the video of your blog,
Sure. Yep.
and that was great. Now,
Sure.
just a couple of questions I'd like to start off with.
Sure.
What is your favorite SEO strategy in terms of, page SEO? How would we go about doing that?
Like one of my favorite on-page SEO strategy, I would say, like what we are doing right now from 2020, 2021, like improving the page speed. Like Google really wants you to like improve your page speed scores. Like if your website is loading very slow, like it's taking 3 seconds to load, you should really work on your page speed, and you should improve the core web vitals. Like recently, Google launched their own algorithm, like core web vitals, to improve your page speed scores. Like it's making your website load very much faster, giving the users best experience. Like this is my number one strategy which I'm using right now, and it is helping me to improve my traffic and getting more like traffic from Google itself.
So what examples would that be? Give me some examples. Is that just making images smaller? Is
Yeah.
that making code faster? What is it? G-zipping things?
Sure,
How
sure.
would
So
do
do you
it?
want me to share my like I can do the live share screen. So do you want me to
Yeah,
share
let's
my
do that.
screen?
That'll be great. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Seeing is believing, as they say.
Awesome. That's why I love it. So can you see my screen? Just give me like thumbs up so people can see it.
Can't at the moment. Yeah, it's coming up. There we go.
It's coming, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So like this is my like article right now, which is a review article where I have like shown pros and cons about the product, and you can see in terms of SEO, my website loads very fast. How? So I'm going to do a page speed score analysis right now, right?
Okay.
So this is a Chrome Audit plugin, and it will show me the live results. How fast is my website loading? Like this page is taking time. So this is the actual review article which we have done. So Sam, I'm just showing the audience which they can see it, like what kind of things I've done in terms of on-page SEO. And like this is the main keyword which I'm ranking on in US right now on 6th and 7th position of the Google. And for that, like I have optimized my H1 tags, which is for ThriveCard lifetime deal, ThriveCard review, like these. And for the ThriveCard lifetime deal, I'm ranking on the 2nd position of the Google, like in US. So this is how
Okay.
I've optimized my article, like putting the trust factor, like showing them readers like what is actually ThriveCard is, into having the bottom line, showing the latest coupons of ThriveCard, and explaining how to use ThriveCard. Like this is a very detailed article. If you can see, it's pretty much detailed. I'm explaining the readers, if they land on my website, I'm giving them actual like a experience, like how they can use this product to improve their like shopping cart experience for the readers, how they can run the affiliate programs, like product affiliate programs. So this is how I'm sharing with them, like a very detailed one, having FAQs. And so you can see the score. Like this is what I'm talking, the page speed score. So this is actually my page speed score. Like my performance is 95. My SEO is pretty much good. So you can see it, right? It's like
Yeah, it's
I'm
great.
working on these core. These are the web vitals, like out of 100,
So,
right?
so what would you
Yeah.
say is the top 3 things that people need to focus on first and foremost? I mean, I put all my images on my website through something like Tiny
Right.
PNG. I go back and I look at all the code and I make sure I haven't got duplicate
Right.
running JS code that doesn't need to be there. But even
Yes.
then, I'm not getting scores like you get. So what magic juice are you providing there, Jitendra?
So I have the best hosting right now. So I use UpCloud, and my developer is pretty much like he's very much great in improving my core web vital scores. So you can see the scores are pretty much good. And like we have installed some WordPress plugins like WP Rocket. Like WP Rocket is one of the best products. So you can try it to improve your page speed score, and you need to optimize it with the help of your developer. He's the one who's going to do all this like behind the scenes, right? Because I'm more into the marketing thing. So I have the best guy who's doing it for me. So I use WP Rocket, which helps me to improve my score. Like this is one of the best product right now. You need to have it on your website to to load it faster under 2 seconds. Like if your website is taking a lot of load time, then your rankings, like Google is going to demote, or like they're going to push down your rankings.
Okay.
So this is the number one crucial factor right now in 2021 if you really want to hijack like Google first position rankings. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
So, what is your favorite tool then that you use other than WP Rocket? What else would you recommend? What else
For page speed or for SEO?
for SEO?
For SEO, I use Ahrefs. So like this is my like a secret tool, not a secret tool. Like everyone uses this tool, like Ahref, to see how my website is ranking. What like to spy on my competitors. I really want to see their SEO. I really want to see their backlinks. What kind of backlinks they have, how they are ranking on the top position for these keywords, to scan like all my competitors, what they actually are doing behind the scenes. So I need tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs. Like these two tools are the best to understand the SEO thing, like on page, off page, like these, like these. If you have these two tools, then your 80% of the SEO is done. So I use
Right.
Ahrefs and SEMrush to optimize my site for on page and off page, like to get the idea about the backlinks, what kind of backlinks my competitor have, how they are ranking higher on Google. So these two tools help me to analyze their positions and their backlinks right now.
Okay. And
Cool.
how do you manage when Google changes the algorithm?
Like, to be very honest, like we focus on the best page user experience and improving the UI. And so you can see my blog. So my screen is shared still. So you can see like when we are optimizing our blog or any kind of article which we really want to rank, we make sure like we give the clean user experience. Like the UX and UI of that landing page should be very neat and clean. So you can see, like if I'm doing a product review, I'm clearly showing what are the pros and cons about this product, how to use this product. Like I'm giving them proper guidelines, like a proper detailed version of that product. Like I'm giving them whatever the questions they have. So I'm giving them everything about that content. So if you do all these things, so this will really help you to improve your like page experience. So Google will trust your content more and they will push your rankings up. Like
Right.
these things I have really focused on. So you can see I have FAQs. So you can see article is very much detailed, like explaining the each feature about this product. And we have FAQs, like someone who really want to know about this product. So we have FAQs at the end of this content, so you can see it. So how this, like FAQs, we have what is Thrive Card, how to use Thrive Card. So we are sharing all the details like people have about this product. Like we do the like Google first page scan, like what are my top competitors are doing on the first page of Google, how they are ranking above me. So we put all the data into our content and we try to outrank them.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So, how big's your team?
My team is around like 20 people right now. So like content writers, SEOs, like developers. So like these, like without them, like I'm nothing. Like my team is everything. I take care of them and they are the one who's helping me to run my business online. So like this thing I've really learned in my life, like you need to take care of your team like your family. If you take
Yeah.
care well, like if you take care of them very well, they will take care of your business for sure.
Yes. Now, how
True.
do you manage them? What tools do you use? Are they, with COVID, are they all in the office or are they all remote
No, it's
now?
virtual. It's purely virtual. I use like Trello. Trello
Yep.
is one of the best tools to track and give them the task. So Trello is my favorite tool right now. And WhatsApp. So you can say WhatsApp also. Like, yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
going forward, where do you see, Google ranking in search SEO? We're moving to the world of mobile. Well, we have moved to the world of mobile.
Right.
We're moving to the world of voice even. How do you see SEO developing or moving forward in the next few years?
In terms of voice SEO, like yes, so you can see a lot of tools right now are available in the market for optimizing your content for voice SEO, like AI voice, right?
Yep.
So I haven't tested it very aggressively, but like we did try to have audios on few of our articles and it didn't work out very well. Like in terms of we did some kind of testing, but AI voice is still new in terms of SEO, and I haven't seen many of the niche website in my industry, like which I'm like I have a different niche website into health, dating, traveling, crypto, make money online, like digital marketing, product reviews. These websites still not using voice SEO. Like what I mean by like they are not using any kind of tools to optimize the content for the voice SEO, right? So still it's new in terms of my domain, but some of the news website which some of my friends which are running a news website, they have optimized the content for like voice SEO, because the news site, like they need to implement all these things if they want to rank in Google News, right? So they have implemented, but in my niche I haven't seen like so many of sites, they haven't still implemented this voice SEO thing like AI voice. Yeah.
So, in terms of a percentage of your work, are you now
Right.
mainly doing mobile sites or mainly doing desktop sites? I mean, you
Both,
know,
like both version, like we focus on the both version. It's very much important. So like Google gives mobile rankings a top priority, so we like my developer makes sure that my website is smartphone friendly, it loads very fast, and it gives the users best experience in terms of smartphone. So we make sure like our websites are very neat and clean, we don't have any kind of intrusive pop-ups or irritating ads. So we focus on the clean smartphone experience right now.
okay.
So yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
And are you a big advocate of Google AMP? Do you think that's a good thing that Google did, or because obviously it's a Google standard, but not everyone's adopted AMP?
I haven't adopted AMP. I don't like it because it's destroy the user experience. Like your website loads in very plain CSS. So I don't like the AMP version, to be very honest, and I haven't used it. Some of my friends, like they in the industry, they have tried AMP and they didn't see any kind of great results, to be very honest. So I'm focusing on right now. I'm using the best product for my sites to improve the page speed scores. So these products are pretty much best, and my website loads pretty much faster in any smartphone, so you can see it. So I've shown you the live right now, like how much are my page speed score, how fast is my site right now. So that's it. Like I haven't used AMP very much, to be very honest. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if somebody was going to come and work with you, as a client,
Right.
what's the
Right.
best way of engaging with you? How do you go about the process? Talk the process through with me of working with you guys.
So the process will be like, first of all, like Sam, my priority will be to understand your requirements, like what kind of SEO expectations you have from my team, right? Because
Well,
so many of the
everyone wants
times,
to
like,
be number one, Jitendra. That's the
yes,
expectation.
everyone wants to be number one, but it's not the case. It depends, like SEO is depends on the 200 or 300 ranking factors, right? So you need to optimize your site for the best user experience. So a lot of things are involved in terms of creating the content strategy. So first of all, I will see like what kind of expectation you have, and we will go into your domain, like have you done the on page, very like technical on page is done or not. So we will see all these kind of factors. Like first will be the on page strategy, like what is the thing which is lacking in your website, like title, metas, h2 tags. So we use tool like screaming frog to analyze your site structure, like technical SEO. See what images are broken, do you have all tag, do you have properly have used h1 tags, h2 tags, h3 tag into your content, is your homepage is very well optimized for the best user experience. So we will look into all these kind of factors, and
Okay.
once we are done with the on page, then we will move into the off page strategy thing. So that's all we do with all our clients right now, like what they are looking for. So first will be the on page, then we move into the off page strategy, right?
Okay. So then you will advise them to make the changes. Then you'll do
Advise
a
them,
speed.
yes.
Then you do
Speed
a
test.
speed assessment. Okay, and it's
Yes.
iterative,
Yes.
yeah. Now,
Right. Right.
so and then you go through keywords, and then you would look at those
Keywords.
words, and then you
Yes.
would start
What
to
are the
analyze.
keywords? Yes. What are the keywords that they really want to rank it, and how well optimized their pages are there? Like how well optimization they have done from the past agency. Like, so we will look into all these kind of factors. Like, is their pages are well optimized? H2 tags are there, all tags, because so many of the times we have seen like our clients, they don't have they haven't done any kind of optimization on their landing pages which they really want to rank on Google and their
Right.
competitor, right? And we will do the competitor analysis, like what their competition have done in terms of like how they are ranking on the top position of the Google. So we will look into the competition and what kind of keywords they have implemented, and then we will give them like all these kind of feedback, like you need to implement all these kind of keywords into your content, and then we will optimize your pages for all these kind of keyword which you really want to rank. And we will put some kind of long tail keyword, like mix of long tail keywords and the main keywords. So this is how you're going to optimize your keywords
Okay.
to rank it for, yeah.
And then, do you advise clients then to use Google Ads around that to try and optimize further their ranking, or is Google Ads not relevant when you're doing page ranking?
Like Google Ads is totally different. Like in terms of, if you see, like SEO and Google Ads are totally different. Like, so my like expertise lies in SEO, right? So I can guide them on the SEO. So for the Google AdWords, we do have an in-house team who handles the clients who are looking for like Google Ads, but there's no correlation in Google Ads or SEO. Like if you run Google Ads for your brand and you expect like your SEO is going to increase, no, there's
Right.
no such
Okay.
correlation, to be very honest, like what I have seen and what I have heard from the expert. So I have done testing, right? Like run some Google Ads for the keyword which I really want to rank, and my ranking didn't improve. Like, okay, Google Ads, you are just paying Google to show the ads for that keywords, right? So
Yeah.
there's no such correlation. So that's it. Yeah.
So with Google Webmaster tools that you can
Yeah.
also use,
Yeah.
do you what would you recommend people do with Google Webmaster tools? Obviously, you put the sitemap, but what other
Yes.
things can they do within that tool?
Like within the Google Webmaster, so they can see like what kind of like spam links they have, like did they receive any kind of penalty from the Google itself, and they can see like what kind of things which is lacking in their website in terms of technical SEO, like how many 404 errors are there, is your site is well optimized for smartphones. So Google Webmaster will give you overall like health structure for your like your site, like what is missing in your site, what kind of like improvements so you can do to improve the page experience. So now Google have core, like Google Search Console have core web vitals, like they will show you like how many good you like how many pages of your site are well optimized according to latest Google guidelines like core web vitals. So this will give you all like overall health structure for your website. So Google Webmaster is like very much important tool. Like we will always look into it, like what things are actually missing from your site, like your sitemap is not properly indexed, and some like few of the cases which we have seen, like some of the article which we make live on our blog, and they are not like indexed. So Google Search Console will help you index your article which is not indexed on Google right now, right?
Right.
So indexing, so Google Search Console is like the main tool, like we use it for optimizing our SEO.
Great. Just very briefly before we finish,
Sure.
do
Sure.
you ever get anyone ask you to do Bing optimization?
No, I haven't done it. Like, to be very honest, I never get traffic from Bing or Yahoo, because like Google is the major source of our traffic right now, and so that's it. Like we never focus on the Bing and the Yahoo SEO. Like, to be very honest, have you done, like, Sam? Have you like seen any agency who's focusing on the Bing SEO part?
No, no. I was curious.
Like,
I think if you
no.
optimize for Google, then you're optimizing for Bing anyway. There isn't any.
Yes,
Uh,
true
uh,
that. Yeah.
the most interesting one before we wrap up is
Sure.
there's a brand new search engine that's coming out from the guys who ran Google search. It's called Miva. I don't know if you've come across it
Neither.
yet. It's
I didn't
a
heard of it.
subscription
Yeah.
based search engine, so there's
Wow.
no ads and it's focused on privacy. It'll be interesting to see. But anyway, look, Jitendra Vaswani, thank you so much for your time.
I really appreciate it.
Could you please give the URL again? I know it's there on the screen, but where can people get hold of you best?
So if they want to get hold of me, so they can go to dgx.com. Like, this is my own like my agency. So you can find the details there, info@dgx.com. So they can like reach me out, and if they need any kind of help in terms of SEO and like affiliate marketing, I'm ready to help them out. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so
Sure.
much.
Awesome. Really appreciate it, man. I really enjoyed it. Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you, everybody. You're here.
At Crack Revenue, we take pride in doing our job right so you can be even more successful. How do we do it? We work closely with our partners to pinpoint the perfect customers they're looking for, and we work hard to make sure they stick to their brands. That's how we increase their customer long-term value, which translates into higher payouts for Crack Revenue and our affiliates. It's as simple as that.